guys, it's Shannon, and you may notice I'm in a different location. I'm in my car right now. No, I'm not doing a drive with me. That would be terrifying. I'm doing my Boxycharm versus Birchbox unboxing. And my grandma's not wanting to go to bed, and I need to film this, so I moved my car to our backyard, and I'm sitting in it, and I'm going to film this. So, yeah, I thought this would be more chill, more cool, you know, whatever. I would just like to say it's freezing. It's like 47 degrees outside. This is probably the coldest weather we've had so far this fall. And, I'm enjoying it. I like the cold more than the, degrees we were having the other day. It's been staying in like the 90s, close to 100, so it's been like miserable, but I don't think it's cold enough to be miserable. I don't like the 20s. I like the snow, but I don't like how cold it is. Does that make sense? Comment down below your favorite type of temperature. Let me know. So I tried to film this once the other day, and it didn't work out. So I already know it's in my Boxycharm. We're going to open it now. Well, I'm going to show you guys now. And did you even see that? There it is. I'm going to show you guys what's in it. Again. I don't know what's in my Birchbox though. That's a surprise. Alright, so this month's theme for the Boxycharm is Alter Ego. And yeah, I'm actually really excited about this box. I got some really awesome things. So the first thing is from Pure Cosmetics, and it's their Midnight Masquerade face palette, and it has like 4 highlighters / blushes and 6 eyeshadows. First of all, the packaging is absolutely stunning. I love it. And this is what the inside looks like. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm excited to try out some fun looks with this. If you want to see a makeup tutorial using this palette, let me know. Alright, so then, oh, that retails for $38. Then from Dermavia, it's the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and it retails for $30, and you get 2 lace masks in the package. I'm not going to open it because I don't want anything to like dry out or anything, but yeah. So it says it has intense exfoliation. Nice. Peel intensity level medium. That's not too bad. Alright, so then from Kat Von D, oh, that retails for $30 if I forgot to say that. Then from Kat Von D, I got an Everlasting lipstick, and this came in the color Lolita, which I've tried before, and I absolutely love it. I actually got a full size of this last year for Christmas, and somehow transporting it from my mother's house to my grandmother's house, which is only about 45 minutes away, I lost it, and I haven't been able to find it since. So yeah, I think it's gone, and I'm not getting it back, but I have a replacement now. I loved this as far as I could remember, so I hope I still love it. I think this is a really pretty fall nude, because it's like a darker nude, but it's not like super like dark. Like, I feel like super dark colors are more for winter, and like a transition from summer to winter is like a medium, and I feel like this is a perfect like medium color. Alright, so then from Pharmacy Beauty, it's the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which is exclusively for Boxycharm. I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried like a makeup removing balm. It's like a green color, and I'm really excited to try it. It smells super clean and fresh. My great grandma, when she was alive, she used to wear these chapsticks. I forget what brand and stuff they were. I think they were like Avon. And the scent reminds me of those. It smells so good. Don't mind me. I'm looking at my rearview mirror because there was someone that just turned around in my driveway. and I'm trying to figure out who it was. I don't know, they left, but that retails for $22. Where'd it go? No, don't lose it. It goes over here. Alright, so then the last thing I got was from It Cosmetics, and it's their Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and it retails for $24. So this is the packaging. I'm not going to open this because I have too many mascaras open and I don't want it to dry out before I can try it. So this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging of this. It's like really sleek and nice. I think it's really simple. It's not like out there like some other mascara packaging is. And yeah, what the heck? I don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh. A murderer is gonna come down here and murder me. Yeah, so that's what I got in my Boxycharm. I love it. I'm excited to try all those items. There's only one thing in that box that I tried, so that's pretty good. Hold on, I need to open my Birchbox. Normally I take it out of the actual package before, but I forgot to. Struggle. Open, please. I should be a pro at opening boxes because I open boxes all the time at work, but I'm just not. My car was so clean and now it's going to be dirty because I'm going to forget to take the trash in. Okay. Ooh, I like the box. It's got like leaves. The lid also doesn't close all the way and it's all bent. That's alright. Turn over a new leaf is this month's theme. Alright, let's just sit this here so I can see it without looking down. Alright, so the first thing I got is from Davanese, I think is how you say it. I've tried one of their shampoos before. But this is a Malou hair shield, and the full size is $37. This is what it looks like. Oh, I know what that is. My friend has a lawnmower, and he rides it up and down the road instead of like a dirt bike. And that's what he's doing. This smells super nice. I'm excited to try that. It's a heat protectant and a pre-styling spray to add shine and boost moisture, and it retails for $37. So then from Ico London, it's the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black, and the full size is $22, and it's got a nice little felt tip. Very nice. I'm needing a new eyeliner, so that'll come in handy. The heck is this? Alright, so this is from Air Repair, and it's the Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum, and the full size is $26. That's what it looks like. It's in a little baby tube. This looks interesting. Wait, what is it? Oh, it's a serum. Okay. I'm too tired. Nothing's registering in my head. Alright, so then from Perlis, I think is how you say it. It's a BB tinted moist cream with SPF 30 and it's in the color light. It's got a lot of benefits. Their full size retails for $35. It evens skin tones, smooths inflamed areas, and hydrates with chamomile and Asian herb extract. And that's what it looks like. Nice. I like the packaging. It's really pretty. And then the last thing I got was from Sand and Sky, and it's a Brilliant Skin Purifying Pink Clay Mask. And the full size retails for $49. That's what it looks like. It says it detoxifies and brightens your complexion. It's made from Australian kaolin clay with organic aloe vera and cacao plum. Alright. Detoxifies and brightens. Nice. I'm excited to try those. They seem interesting. So, that's everything I got in my 2 boxes this month. If you guys are wondering, my Ipsy bag goes to my mother's house. It doesn't come to me. And I've not seen or really spoke to my mother that much in the past while. That's a whole different story though. So yeah, I haven't got that for a while. I have two. I think it's from July and August. I think. I'm not sure. She just gave them to me randomly, like at the beginning of September, so I would guess those were the 2 months. Unless it was for like June and July. I don't remember. But I'm just wondering if you guys want to see me open those. I have not opened them or looked in them. I don't know what's in them or anything. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Because I'd like to share that to you. I'm interested myself in what's in them. And yeah. Also, if you like some more cool sitting in my car filming videos, let me know. I thought this was kind of cool, a different location. Sorry about that loud pop. I didn't realize pushing, like when I did this, my finger would crack. But yeah. Also, I'm going to try to get my car cleaned up and get it all nice. And then I might do a car tour. Let me know if you guys want to see that as well. And yeah, I'm going to get off here because it's freezing in my car. And I would like to turn my heater on. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to comment anything else you would like to see or any comments you have referring to this video or like your life in general or my life in general or whatever. I don't care. Comment hi if you want to. I love to talk to you guys, so let me know what you want to say in the comments down below. And yeah, so I'm gonna get off here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.